In the last video, there is a concept of negative energy density in Casimir effect. According to theory, negative energy density. So in this video, I'm going to explain what are these terms. Okay, let's understand quantum field theory. So in quantum physics or this modern physics, empty space is also not empty. No. In vacuum, the fields are there. Okay, fields like electromagnetic field, yes, it is also constantly fluctuating. Okay, and these tiny fluctuations which are present even in the vacuum are called quantum fluctuation. Now imagine you placed two matter plates very close to each other, that is of the order of nanometer, 10 raised to the power minus 9, very close together. Now what happened? Because the plates are conducting, they are conductors, so the electromagnetic field are present between the plates. Now these fields have to obey the quantum rule, or you can say the boundary condition of quantum, and because of that boundary condition only certain wavelength can exist between the plates, rest are excluded. Now because of these fewer vibration, fewer mode present between the plates in comparison to the outside, because there is no boundary condition present for the vibrations, for the wavelength present outside in the vacuum, the each fluctuation has certain energy, and because between the plates the fluctuations are less. Why? Because of the boundary condition, the energy density also get less in comparison to the energy density present in the vacuum, where more fluctuation, where more modes are present, right? Now because of this pressure, energy density difference, a pressure is created and it pulls the plate together, okay, and which creates this negative energy density concept between the plates, and this phenomena is called Casimir effect. Now how it used in wormhole is like, for to open the wormhole we require an energy which work against the gravity, because in gravity everything collapses into gravity, right? But this energy is very, people just assume that can we use this, but we can use it to open the wormhole using this negative energy density, but still no wormholes, not even the micro wormholes created in the lab, it is only theoretical.